Did you know that turmeric can have nasty side effects and can be risky for certain individuals? I take turmeric myself, and I'm sure you have some friends and family that do as well. But before you go on to purchase your next turmeric supplement, you need to watch this video so you're aware of the nasty side effects of turmeric. Hi, it's Dr. Michael Yu here, board certified integrative rheumatologist and arthritis patient. As a rheumatologist, I do prescribe turmeric to my supplements for inflammation. However, I am aware of the potential side effects of taking this supplement. Now, everyone's talking about turmeric lattes, turmeric spice, and turmeric supplement. You need to be aware of the side effects of the turmeric supplement. And yes, turmeric supplements can be healing and anti-inflammatory, but when the side effects come, it can be pretty nasty. I'm going to be going over 5 potential side effects that you need to be aware of when you take turmeric. Side effect number 1 is blood thinning. Turmeric has blood thinning properties. So if you're taking an anticoagulant like warfarin or Plavix or some other medication that will thin out the blood, you need to be very careful when you take turmeric. Also, when you are going to the dentist and before surgery, you should be stopping turmeric because it can lead to easier bruising and bleeding during the procedure. So if your doctor, surgeon, or anesthesiologist doesn't ask you about supplements, you need to let them know that, hey, I am on turmeric, and they will most likely tell you to stop taking this, probably at least a couple days or a week beforehand. And if you take SS turmeric and you're not on any of those medications, you can still get easy bruising, nosebleeds, and other bleeding risk as well. So be aware that turmeric can thin out the blood. Side effect number 2, stomach upset. I've seen this in my own clinic with my patients that take turmeric. It's not too often, but it does happen. Some patients get acid reflux, they get abdominal pain when taking turmeric, and sometimes they can't even tolerate the spice as well. So you need to be aware that turmeric can cause stomach irritation, and even at low doses, some of my patients can't even touch it. Some patients are just sensitive to turmeric. However, if you take higher doses to start off with, you might want to consider starting at a very low dose and consider building up over time. That way, you might be able to tolerate turmeric better in the long run. Number 3, and this may be surprising for you, it is kidney stones. Taking excess turmeric can potentially cause kidney stones because it raises the oxalate levels in the urine. And kidney stones are not fun to play around with. It can cause severe pain in the abdominal and back. And it is very, very excruciating. And it can cause a lot of suffering for patients. So I've never seen kidney stones in my patients taking turmeric, but with turmeric over 2 grams, it can potentially increase the risk of kidney stones, specifically of the oxalate kidney stones. So to combat this, make sure you drink a lot of water when you take turmeric supplements so you can help flush out the system. Side effect number 4 that I've seen in my clinic is diarrhea and loose stools. Turmeric, I personally don't get any diarrhea or loose stools, but I've seen my own patients, they tell me, Dr. Yu, I've taken turmeric and I got loose stools and diarrhea in the first couple of doses I took. Patients sometimes just can't tolerate it. However, just like the upset stomach, you can try to take lower amounts in the very beginning, like 250 milligrams or 500 milligrams, and build up over time. Or just taking the spice alone and just cooking with it to see if it still gives you diarrhea. Everybody's different, but you need to know that it can cause diarrhea. Side effect number 5, you need to be aware of, and this is the highest risk side effect of turmeric, and it can be deadly, and that is liver toxicity. Turmeric supplements can cause drug-induced liver injury, and sometimes you can see the liver numbers, specifically the AST and ALT in the labs, to be up to the thousands, and this can scare doctors. I've seen patients that have come to the hospital when I was a resident that had very, very high liver numbers from supplements such as turmeric. It doesn't always happen, it's quite uncommon, but you need to be aware that when you take turmeric, you should be getting labs to make sure that the turmeric supplement is not affecting your liver. Why is it important that I talk about liver injury and turmeric? Well, it can be deadly. If you don't get labs after you take turmeric and you keep taking turmeric when you have liver injury, well, it can turn deadly. So that's why you need to be aware that you need to get labs after you take turmeric, and you need to check in with your doctor so that you can make sure your liver is normal and it's okay. I personally seen this in the hospital, and I've seen patients jaundiced from liver injury. So that's why I'm emphasizing this last point to you. So I want to hear from you guys. Was this helpful for you? Did you know that turmeric can cause these different side effects? Please comment below. I would appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel so you can hear more information on supplements and integrative health. And as always, let's beat inflammation together. Thanks for watching.